Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today we're looking at the finished product. We got our Lakeland squeeze chute put in, and we got the concrete slab down. We put lead sinkers in there. We've got it bolted down to the ground, and then we were able to jack that chute up, and we actually put these are the load bars right here for our cattle scales. So this whole chute, the weight of it is setting on a set of load cells on each side. And we made sure we had all the rock out from underneath them before we put them down. And then, I can't get through there. Here is the finished product. So what we did is I took PVC pipe and I'm going to spray foam the ends of these to keep the mice out of our cables. That's where the cable goes in. And then I've got a PVC steel straps keeping that underneath the chute where my cables won't get stomped. And then they all come together. There's two of them. There's a cable for each load cell, one here and one at the other end. And so this is inside we put a T right here. There's the other one coming in. And so they both join right here and come up. Of course, we had way too much cable for the second load cell, but Ike came up with a good idea. We're just gonna cut like a 4-inch piece of PVC and wrap all this. Because, you know, when you're working cattle, something runs into that cable, or if it's exposed over the years, that'll get frayed. Maybe mice will chew on it, I don't know. But this goes with us. We're not gonna leave this. So turn it on, boink, like that. And then you zero it. And who wants to be the guinea pig? Which one of y'all want to climb on the scales? I'm not asking. Jan says, no, I'm not coming.
Do they got battery?
Yeah, still got battery. I got to get this battery charged. But we got enough battery to weigh. All right, there went Jackson. Jackson, oh, wait a minute. There's two of you on 420. What? Huh?
420 with just two.
Keep going. Keep going. Oh, my gosh. I got 4 of you on there now. Oh my gosh, there's 820 pounds with Jan and Ike and Isaac and Jackson. 820 pounds. Do I hear 830?
But we just got done with lunch.
Yeah, we took Jackson out today for his going away. His going away party. Jackson's going to be leaving us, and so we took him out to a really nice restaurant today. We all ate too much. But anyway, there it is. Now you three guys jump off real quick, and we'll know. Hey Jan, where are you going?
I was the last one.
Oh, come on. There you go. So you can see how it works. There is a software package on this. This is what they call it. Hand me that box. Hand me the box that the scale came in. This is a true test. That sun's getting me in it. I need it's got a heck of a battery in here. That battery hasn't been charged. I bought this thing last year. It hasn't been charged in a year. And that battery's still up. That's unbelievable. So it's got its own battery. You don't need electricity to run this thing. And this is the weigh scale indicator. And the nice thing about this, folks, is you can take that off, just unscrew those. This comes back to the house with you. Don't leave this on your scales. Because the way things are today, it won't be there. That thing will sprout 2 little legs, and it'll take off running right off your farm. And you ended up buying another scale reader. And trust me, that's not a cheap piece of equipment right there. So you don't want that happening. But we're going to spray foam the ends of these, that expanding foam. Keep the mice. darn mice will get in there. And it'll keep all the dirt, keep our cables clean. And I'm just gonna spray the entrance to each one of those and just keep junk out of there. But that's it turned out really nice. Can't wait to work cattle in this thing. We got a nice shed over the top of us now. And this is all gonna have waste rock in here. We cleaned out the shed. And we'll have waste rock in here. We can put in a couple pins. And I'm actually gonna make another whole section here to put our firewood so I can keep up to 3 years of wood in here. So I don't have to cut wood for 3 years. Because we got tons of firewood cut, and I don't like leaving it outside. It's already split. We're gonna bring it in here where it's out of weather, and get it up off the ground. Don't stack it on the ground. And it'll last, 4 or 5 years. So it's kind of a secure feeling having a good supply of dried oak firewood, knowing that you got a cold winter coming on each year. You don't have to go out and chop it and drag it out of the woods in the snow and all that. But yeah, this is the Lakeland. This is an awesome tool. It's built super heavy duty. And there's their phone number. And this particular model, I'll just put it in the description, because somebody asked me what model number it was, and I didn't know, but I do now. And I'm going to turn this off. There we go. So this is all going to go over to another farm. These are the chutes, or the alleys. There's the boxing, the sliding gate on the old chute. And that'll all go up over at Marshall, so we don't have any handling facilities. And so that way we're going to basically be set. We've got 19 farms, and each one's now going to be serviced by, there's 4. Each one's going to have around 4 farms on each chute. So no matter where we're at, we're just a couple polywire lanes away from getting the animals where we need them. If we need to load or sell something or take something in to get it preg-checked, semen tested, customer pickup, butchering a steer, whatever, we're going to be set up. So, yeah, I don't think there's anything here that the cattle can tear up. The way we've got this thing all buttoned up, so. I'm going to do something about those, though. I don't like that. Just something, get a hold of that and tear my nice cables up. But I've always wanted scales, and Isaac and I were talking about this. We can start recording the weights of the cows a lot better. And then the calf at 7 months of age, what's the calf weigh? So we'll know which cows are doing our best work. And if we have a cow that gives us a dinky calf and doesn't weigh up right, we're going to know it. So instead of guessing at it, we know. And this thing is accurate. I mean, it's right on there. So we're happy about that. And it's inside. The weather's off of it. So Isaac, they're putting the WD-40 to it right now.
Yep.
We got some grease certs on it. We'll bring our grease gun up. And we're going to grease it up real good. So, yeah. Somebody's asking how this compared to an AeroQuip. There's nothing wrong with AeroQuip handling facilities. I mean, they're a good tool. They just think a whole lot more of them than what Lakeland does. They're a lot more expensive. I'm just going to leave it at that. You're going to pay probably, 30 to 40% more for an AeroQuip equivalent to this. And that's a pretty good chunk of change. So anyway, I'm going to get out of here. Everyone have a good one. Hit that subscribe button on the way out, and we'll see y'all down the road.